Hyderabad campus. The CSE department at KLH, which was established in the year 2017, strives high to provide the students with a learning platform that not only enhances their academic knowledge but also encourages in thinking out of the box, innovatively to stand out in the competitions on a global level. The CSE department's strengths at KLH includes its high faculty-student ratio, renowned faculty, strong focus on undergraduate education balanced with leading-edge research, emphasis on overall and personality development, leadership and ethics.
Choice-based credit systems helps us design our own degree by giving us flexibility to choose our courses from the electives and the core courses. Isn't this amazing? Yes. So few of the specializations
Myself, Dr. Prananath Reddy, working as Associate Professor in Department of CSE. CSE department has collaboration with industry and universities across the globe. Students here at KL University completes the certification and gets the internship in the renowned companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, based upon their certifications. So students need to undergo the certifications program, and then they will get the internship. So they can convert the internships as a pre-placement offers also. And coming to the universities across the globe, we have MOU with different kind of universities at different levels. Students has the opportunity to take the summer internships, semester exchange program. We have at KL University, we have some summer exchange program where they can go for 2 years in KL and 2 years abroad universities. So this gives our students a benchmark, a platform to work and study with a different cultured students and also different set of professors. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Ramarao, an RPAC chairman for KLH Hyderabad campus. So in KLH Hyderabad campus, we have around 7 research groups which are emerging and thrust areas like artificial intelligence, image processing and computer vision, cyber security, data science, Internet of Things and machine learning. So we have eminent professors who are leading these research groups, and they are involved in setting up these research labs, and they are mobilizing the funding from different agencies and also able to attract consultancy projects from different industries. From the student perspective, our R&D cell is able to help students in implementing their ideas and making them as patents who aspire to become entrepreneurs and start their own companies. In addition to that, our faculty are from varied domains and different specializations from reputed institutes, premium institutes. So this is enabling them to publish papers.
We Department of CSE initiated KL Hackathon, which provides a platform for a student to showcase their skills and provide solutions to real-time problems. In turn, it inculcates a culture of team spirit and teamwork among the students so they can develop and product.
Wi-Fi enabled
digital classrooms, in addition with e-learning facilities, with lab-taken class mechanism, enhance our knowledge by not limiting it to the books. The project-based learning and the case study-based learning help us gain exposure to solve real-time problems. The CSE department in our university follows innovative metrics to evaluate us and also organizes various skill sessions where industry experts train us on regular basis, providing us an opportunity to interact with them, and also guest lectures from experts across the globe. Peer mentoring program helps the freshman student learn through the experience of their seniors. Every one of us are allotted with the mentors right from the freshman year to help us in the times of decision making and also keeps our track of our progress in various activities.